There's a beautiful day headed your way. Keep your head up, you'll be okay.
Hey, what's going on, guys? This video is going to be two-part, actually. One is going to be for the core developers over at phpBB. For any admin that's running a bulletin board using their software. And I do have the 3.2 installed. And this was the problem. Okay, over on my forum, I've got a forum called Bug Reports. And I'm showing people how to set up their profile. And Steve contacted me and said, hey, Dana, avatar's up. Just having trouble with the YouTube box. Tells me I have invalid characters. On the YouTube, it shows this way. And see right there where it says user? That's the key thing here. Okay? Because if you look up at mine, it doesn't say user. It says /C/MacCaster. So what do? Well, if you're the admin for the board, I'm going to show you here in a second. Okay? Because it's real simple to do. Now, literally, it took me 60 hours to figure this out. But once I did, it's simple. So that's what this person is saying. Okay, unable to figure this out. I'm in the edit profile section. Need to add the YouTube channel. I copy and paste my channel. It tells me the field YouTube has invalid characters. So people come up and start telling him what to do, what he needs to do. You know, he's replying back, look, it tells me the channel does not exist. And that's exactly what it's going to do if you put in the wrong characters. Okay. Now, this guy's got 759 posts. He says, what's the URL to your channel? And the guy shows it to him. And then he comes back and says, well, that's odd. I got the same thing. Not sure why. Guess we'll have to wait for the gurus here to help. Well, apparently the gurus either don't care about it or they haven't figured it out. I truly don't know. But we're going to go on and just look at a couple more. And here, Lumpy Burger Tushy. Lumpy Burger Tushy. That's cool. I like the name. He's got 63,000 posts up here. I'm assuming he has something to do with the support. Okay. He says you need to put whatever your actual channel name is in the box. Apparently, it's not AOMC. And it just goes back and forth. Everybody's telling them what to do, and it's just not going to work, and it never will work if they follow these instructions. As you can see, it goes over to page 2. Okay, in the very last post, now they're going to tell you, go in there to YouTube. It's your YouTube. YouTube is the fault, not us. Okay, and that's just not correct. Now, YouTube does have 3 different ways that I've found so far to how they set up their channels. Okay, so that's what we're going to look at right now. So if you are an admin for your board, and you use phpBB, and you're running the latest version, and this could work in earlier versions, guys. I don't know, okay, because I don't run the earlier versions. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to get this advanced profile fields pack, and you're going to install it on your forum. After you have it installed, you're going to go over to user and groups. At this point, now you can come in here and put in custom profile fields. You're going to click on that. Now, if you look right down here at the bottom, you see the YouTube, and then I've added the YouTube username and the YouTube channel. So, if you guys here on my forum think it's complicated, that's why I love this bug report forum. If you don't tell me what's going on, I don't know how to fix it. And like I said, I got about 60 hours in this. So, make sure you put it in the right forum. And all I need to do, I've got to be able to go up and duplicate it. If I can duplicate it, I can figure it out and I can fix it. So we're going to look at the settings on this. And this is what comes stock with this program. Okay, this is the identifier for the database. And these are all the boxes you have to have checked. And this, guys, is what you're looking for right here. You see where it says view YouTube channel. You're going to start, don't change this one. Leave it in there. So as you can see, the C and the /, now the percentage and the lower S is what allows any user to put their information in to make it work. And then what they're going to see in their profile simply says YouTube. Okay, so let's go back and I'll show you what I've added. Now here I've come and set it up in the database as the user name. Now you're going to see that everything up here is exactly the same, except the field identifier, I put it for the database. All these checkboxes stay the same. And all I did was come up here, view YouTube channel, and I've got here the username /% lower s. Now, what gets presented to your users is YouTube username only. Okay, so let's go back and we'll look at the third one. And then it says the channel, okay, set up the same way. We'll go back. Here in the database, it says YouTube channel. And everything else here is the same. When it comes down here, it says YouTube channel. It's got youtube.com channel /% lower s. Down here, what the user will see, YouTube channel name only. Okay, so the things that you want to change, and I'm going to show you this on the very last one, you're going to come down where it says profile type specific options. You want to change this to 40 as the input box and 40 for the number of characters, and the field validation is going to be any character. Do not use anything in here other than any character. Okay? And then I'll show you what it looks like. Now, at this point, we're going to come up and we're going to look at my profile. I'm going to go to the user control panel just when I click on profile here. And you'll see right here, it's got YouTube, YouTube username only, YouTube channel name only. Now, here is my YouTube, Mac Caster. That's that one that had the little C and then the /. Now, the YouTube username only. Steve, this is yours. Okay, I did answer your reply in the forum. Now, the YouTube channel name only is this. You do not put in anything that says YouTube. You go up to where it says your name, your username, or your channel name. Okay? And then you simply click submit. And when you do, you won't get any of those red errors that comes up that says YouTube or you have entered invalid characters in YouTube. So let's go see how this works, because I'm going to have to go back and change all my profile stuff, because I did use Steve's because my channel's not set up that way. But regardless of how your channel is set up on YouTube, it's going to work for you. And I'm going to show you right now. So once you open up or you're on your forum and you can come down to the contact, you click on the name. Now you're going to see the YouTube channel there. Now I haven't figured out how to change this image over yet. And honestly, I'm probably not going to spend any more time on it. But if you come over to the next one, it'll say YouTube username only. You come down to the next one, it'll say YouTube channel name only. So let's go ahead and click on this YouTube. And there is my YouTube channel. So we're going to go back and now we're going to look at the YouTube username only. Now, Steve, as you can see, right there you are. Okay. So we come back down and let's go to the third one now. And there's the one for my actual podcast. Okay. And that's it, guys. That's how you do it. All right. Take care. God bless. And we are out of here.